4 members of a Portland area family were killed in a float plane crash on Lake Oswego in Idaho. 4 other people are also presumed dead. Sean Fredrickson, his children Hayden, Sophie, and Quinn were on one of those planes that crashed into another yesterday. Sean was a professional golfer at Oswego Lake Country Club. Last year, he was named the PGA Professional of the Year by the Pacific Northwest Section PGA. His wife, April Upchurch, released this statement. Many of you know that I lost my husband and beautiful children in a plane wreck over Lake Coeur d'Alene yesterday. I am reeling from the loss, but take solace in the fact that they were on an adventure and so excited for their first seaplane ride. Thank you for all of the love and support. It truly does help. I know that they each touch many lives and that our entire Lake Oswego and Tualatin community will be grieving. Please know that we had a wonderful family weekend and an opportunity to spend time together. Thank you for keeping me in your prayers. We also send our prayers to April and her family. I cannot imagine the depth of her sorrow, and we are so, so very sorry.